Getting locked out of your Apple device can be super frustrating, but you can prevent this from happening by setting up a recovery contact. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to add a recovery contact on iPhone. A recovery contact is someone you trust to help you get back into your Apple ID account if you get locked out. They'll receive a one-time use code that you can enter to help you get back into your account if necessary. This person must also have an Apple device in order to get the code. To set up a recovery contact on your iPhone, first, make sure all of your Apple devices have been updated to the newest available software and that you have a reliable internet connection. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Step 2. Tap on your Apple ID name at the top. Step 3. Tap on Password and Security. If you are using iOS 17, tap on Sign In and Security. Step 4. Scroll down and tap on Account Recovery. Step 5. Tap on Add Recovery Contact. Step 6. Tap on Add Recovery Contact again in the splash screen. Step 7. Type the name of your recovery contact and tap on Add at the top right corner. Step 8. Tap on Send at the bottom to send the invite message to your recovery contact. Ensure that you have saved the contact number of this person. After your recovery contact receives the invite message, your contact needs to accept it. After your contact has accepted the invite, he or she will be visible as the recovery contact. To start account recovery, you need to visit Forgot Apple ID using the browser on your iPhone and follow the on-screen prompts. Once you start the process, it takes up to 72 hours to gain access to your iCloud via an email confirmation sent to your recovery email for Apple ID. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, leave a comment and share it with your friends. Also, if you haven't as yet, please subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to get notified as soon as I upload a new video.